What's up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I remove my wig the right way. Now I have had this wig on for about 2 weeks now, and since it's time for me to take it off, I'm tired of it. It's getting hot. Time to take it off. I will be using the Lay Off lace remover by Erica J. I also used her glue as well, so if you guys want to see how I actually installed the wig, I will leave a link up above and in the description box. So all I'm doing here is literally squirting the solution onto the lace and rubbing it in. Literally, it only takes less than 5 or 10 minutes to even take it off, if that. This stuff is good. I will recommend that don't spray it all wildly, because it does have a strong scent to it, and if you spraying it too wild, you will get in your eyes and your eyes will burn. I did it before, and that is nothing that you want to play with. So right here I'm just letting it sit for just a little bit, and you guys are going to see exactly how it just comes straight up. Don't mind me, y'all, my crazy ass faces I was making. I was talking to my husband the same time I was making this video, so excuse my face. Alright, y'all, so I've been letting it sit for less than 2 minutes, and look how it just comes straight up, like straight off. No hair loss or anything like that. And this is the inside of the wig. There's none of my hair gone, anything like that. Everything is good. Now what I will recommend for this bald cap method, because I did put that boy on there too good, don't just rip it straight off your head like I was about to do. You want to get a bottle of water literally and just spray it on the bald cap around your perimeter, your hairline, and then let it sit for probably like 1 or 2 seconds, and literally it will come straight off. Do not rip your edges out, y'all. Don't do that, because I was about to straight rip mine out, and I was about to be looking like, who did it know what for? And that's not what I want to do, and that's not the advice I want to give to you guys. But this is the end of the video. No edges were lost, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I thank you so much for your continued support. But until next time, you guys.